Hi, I'm Özlem. I have been sharing tiny houses in my country for about 4 years and I have been trying to make people love this life. I have been wanting to live in a house with a garden in nature for many years. I finally built a tiny house for myself and I am going to live in nature full time. Today we will see the land where I will place my tiny house with you, but before that I should take a boat tour while I am in Akyaka. Azmak River is amazing. It is called a natural aquarium. It is 8 meters deep and has very cold water because of the many springs coming out of the bottom. Since the water is clear, you can easily see mullet and eels when you look from the side of the boat. Watching the dance of underwater greenery gives incredible pleasure and peace. It is like a therapy effect. Ducks accompany me on my river tour and I enjoy it very much. I'm walking through the giant pine trees and I'm so excited. After the crowded and noisy traffic of the city, this place is so good for me. Every morning I'm so excited to open my eyes to the cheerful glow of the sun and wake up to the birds tapping on the window. I admire the nature here, and with the arrival of spring, everything is green. There is a village very close to where my land is. I love having a village nearby. I can't wait to meet the villagers and talk to them about life here. I drive along the beautiful, peaceful village road and come to the area where my land is located. Watching the drone footage, I like everything here even more. This is my land. I will bring my little house on wheels here soon. Let's look at the details of my land. Isn't it beautiful? I can imagine putting the tiny house here and it excites me so much. This is an area designed as a tiny house village. This is my tiny house, and soon I will move it from the factory where it was manufactured to here, to the tiny house village. It's going to be a bit of a challenge to get my tiny house here. It's a 250-kilometer cross-country journey. It's going to be rough and hilly at times. I am both worried and excited to see those moments. These little laurel trees mark the beginning and end of my garden. My part of the garden measures 150 square meters. I love laurel trees. They have a mythological story and they are also good for health. I will be able to pick them from my garden and put them in my meals. This is my garden. I'm going to grow lots of vegetables and fruits here. I plan to plant fruit trees such as avocado, peach, lemon, blueberry, and vegetables. I learned that the vegetation here is very suitable for growing these trees. This is the village of Akyaka, a village in my favorite city in the Aegean. It has a wonderful nature and unique beauty. Let me introduce you to the old olive tree in the corner of my garden. The last part of its trunk is starting to rot. You know, olive trees are one of the longest living trees. A well-maintained olive tree can live up to 3,000 years. Even olive trees with ordinary care can live and bear fruit for 300 to 400 years. I have to preserve the old olive tree, one of the oldest witnesses of the village history, before it decays further. I didn't expect this. I'm wet. The clean, natural spring water of the tiny house village is completely ready for use with its infrastructure. This is the electrical panel. The electricity infrastructure is also ready to use. After the transportation and installation of the house, I will be able to connect the electricity directly and use it. Thanks for watching me and sharing my excitement. See you in new videos.